Sir, आप fall asleep.
हाँ,
तो सो जाते हैं.
but whole day you keep sleeping and eat only one time.
तो मेडिसिन लेने के बाद नींद आ जाता है, पता नहीं कैसे.
Okay, my medicine induces sleep, means your medicine makes you sleep. Oh, so what type of medicine is it? Is it a BP medicine? Medicine for BP, blood pressure?
नो सर.
So,
सर पैर, लेफ्ट पैर में नीचे वाले पार्ट में कुछ सुन टाइप सा हो गया था, कुछ
okay, there is numbness in your
पेनिक
leg.
टाइप सा.
Numbness, सुन्न हो जाना.
यस.
There is numbness in your leg. So, you consulted a doctor and he gave you some medicine, and after that, this medicine makes you sleep, right?
यस.
Don't you take exercise every morning?
नो सर.
I think taking exercise, taking good diet, and taking proper amount of sleep, proper hours of sleep, are the keys to good health. Are you a careless person about your health? Are you not health conscious? Huh?
यस सर.
Prakash sir is joining. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, sir?
Fine. Fine, sir.
I'm still waiting for others. All are late today. I don't know why. Yesterday, everybody came on time. The moment I just started the class, everybody logged in, all of them. And today, all of them are late.
I am super late, sir. But I am not asking that.
You are not late, sir. You're on time. Let's see. Tejas has joined now. See.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I uploaded yesterday's video also, sir.
Yes, sir. I watched both the videos, sir.
You watched your nephew's video also? His batch's video?
Yes, sir.
He's doing well. He's doing pretty well.
And he told me that he will try hard, sir.
So, he will, sir?
He told me well. He will try well.
Yes, he's trying. He's trying honestly and sincerely. He's doing it. Okay. Okay, okay.
I told him 3 or 4 months earlier. But
But
no one was
it takes a lot of courage, sir, to join a language class,
yes, sir.
especially when you are a professional
Yes, sir.
and when you are from Bihar.
Most of the it's a this is the difficulty for the Bihar students, sir.
Yes. No, all of us Biharis have a lot of hesitation in doing something new. Not about learning English only, in doing anything new. We have a lot of hesitation. We are
I
always bothered by the thought, सब क्या कहेगा? अगर गलत हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? Means we make mistakes, that's why we are learning. But generally, okay, I am playing your audio, sir.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. And now I am playing the audio of Rajnandini.
Day of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Name of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very nice. And now Gunjan's. I think Gunjan has also sent me. Where is Gunjan's? What happened? Where is Gunjan's file? Let me search it. Mania is joining now.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mania.
I'm continuing that.
Yes, now I am playing Gunjan's audio.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
नॉइज करने बंद
Saturday,
नॉइज आ रहा
Sunday, January, October, November, December.
Gunjan's voice is too faint to hear,
Wednesday, Thursday,
and everybody's voice has been recorded. Everybody's
Sunday,
audio file, the homework audio file has been recorded in today's class. I will send you the correct pronunciations of the name of the days and the name of the months, and after that you will match your pronunciation with the pronunciation I will send you, and after that I will give any remark. Okay, not before that.
Sir, I have a problem in stress word.
What problem, my dear? What sort of
Sir,
problem?
actually, I don't understand stress words, sir.
Have you listened to the audio and have you watched my video that I have uploaded on the app?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. But, sir, I never distinguish between stress word and normal word.
Stress word and normal word, what is that?
Yeah, I mean normal words like I am speaking right now.
Hmm?
Sir, like I am speaking my pronunciation, and matlab, I never distinguish between the pronunciation, sir.
Hmm? I'm not getting you what you mean to say.
Sir, can I speak in Hindi?
No, sorry. Make me a call after the class if you want to talk in Hindi.
Okay, sir.
So, what to do now? What
Sir,
to
can
do?
you explain again stress words, sir?
Watch the video first. Watch the video first. I think you haven't watched it.
No, sir, I already watched, sir.
No, dear, no. I'm for sure.
Sir, I watched, sir, in like you are taught that photographer, photographic.
No. That's why I told you you haven't watched. That's why I told you you haven't watched. Watch and listen to every single word I have said in the explanation of stress. After that, I will talk to you. Okay? I will definitely explain it to you, no doubt.
Okay, sir.
I will definitely explain it to you again if it is required. But I think you haven't, no, I'm sure you haven't watched the whole video. You have watched only for a few seconds in the beginning, and after that you left ke kuch samajh mein nahi aa raha. That's why you left thinking that you did not watch the whole video. Is it right? Is it
No,
right?
sir.
Huh?
No, sir. I watched full video, sir.
How many times?
Sir, one time.
So watch it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and try to understand the things. Try to understand the things what I am telling in the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So everybody, what to do? Today's class is going to be very short. We are here to learn about sentence stress. Are you people ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me share the screen first. Okay. I hope you can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
See, I am writing a word here. Can anybody read this word? Can anybody read this word, please?
Education.
Anybody else will try? Now, can you read this word? See, when I say education, this whole word can be broken into these many parts. Education. 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, and fourth part. English is a language in which a word with more than one part, this every part is known as syllable. This every part is known as syllable. So, in English there are words with 1 syllable, with 2 syllables, with 3 syllables, with 4 syllables, with 5 syllables, maybe with 8 or 10 syllables. But when English is spoken in a correct way, 1 syllable in a one word is spoken with a little more emphasis on it. Getting me? And the syllable which is spoken with a little more emphasis on that is known as stressed syllable. Is known as stressed syllable. See, when I spell this word, Manya, read it please once again.
Yes.
Read this word once again.
Education.
Yeah, it's
Education.
not so. It's not so. It's education. Education. See, when I say educate, then I speak this part edu fast, shun also fast, but I spend a little more time on this part of the word with a little high pitch. A little more time with a little high pitch. That is called stress. In every word in English, one part or one syllable is stressed. It's not education. It's not the correct way to pronounce this word. The correct way to pronounce this word is education. Education. When I say edu, then I speak this part a little faster, this part a little faster, but this a little slower, means I spend a little more time on this part, and my tone, my pitch is a little higher than my pitch in this part and my pitch in this part. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Read this word now.
Japan.
Yeah, up to some extent you pronounced it correctly. Japan. Japan. See, I speak ja very fast and very little time, but I spend more time on this part of the word, pan. This part is stressed. This syllable is stressed. I hope it is getting clearer now.
Yes, sir.
Will you please read this word?
Japan.
Japanese.
Japanese.
Yes.
Japanese.
Okay. Will anybody else try? Azan is to be called. I am just muting. Okay. Now the azan is over. Okay. I am just again sharing my screen to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the screen. Will you please pronounce this word once again?
Japanese.
Okay. It was
Japanese.
Tejasvi.
Japanese.
Japanese.
Okay.
Japanese.
Okay. Gunjan, I think you need to work on your mic. Means your mic is not good or your mobile is not good. The audio file that you have sent to me is so faint. Not I'm talking about network at the moment. Your recorded voice is also so faint that nobody can hear it. And this has been re-recorded in today's class also. You will see. After this video is sent to you, means the link to this video is sent to you, today's class video. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's Japanese. Japan, Japanese. Japanese. See, when I speak this word, Japanese. See, this part of the word here, Japanese. This part is stressed. We accentuate it, we highlight it while speaking by spending a little more time and raising our pitch. But in this word, this first part is not stressed, the second part is stressed. Did you understand, Manya, what it means by stressing a word, stressing a syllable of a word?
Yes, sir.
So, if you really want to speak English correctly, you must know which part or which syllable of a word to be stressed. And if you don't have any idea, definitely will not be speaking English with the correct rhythm, with the correct pronunciation.
So, sir, how we find which word is stress?
Which word is stressed? No, which part of the word is stressed? Every word has got a stress. It's a wrong question. It's a silly question to ask which word is stressed. I'm not teaching you stress on a word. I'm teaching you stress on a syllable in a word. A word may have one syllable. If there is only one syllable in a word, nothing will be stressed. It will be flat. But when there are more than one syllable, then definitely one syllable out of them have to be stressed. And which syllable has to be stressed is to be found out. It can be found out only with the help of an advanced learner's dictionary, or you'll have to contact your teacher for that. Say what I say, not teacher, teacher. So I spent a little more time on T and little less time on char. And when I was speaking teacher, then my pitch was a little higher on T and little less on char. So this is the way we should speak English. Getting me?
sir.
Getting me? And for
Yes,
that
sir.
you need not to work on your speaking, but you need to work on your listening. Listening English with the correct pronunciation, and for that I have given you the audio files.
Yes, sir.
But you people, by your choice, choose to ignore it. You don't spend listening to the audio files. You don't spend much time listening to the audio files. You don't spend even sufficient time listening to the audio files. You think it's a wastage of time. If you have given the answer, if you have started speaking, that is enough. Then okay, who stops you?
You have to give more and more time.
Your English will not become quality English unless your pronunciation is improved, unless you get the right rhythm of speaking English. And to get the right rhythm of speaking English, correct rhythm of speaking English, you need to listen to English that you are not doing at all, guys. Getting me? Getting me or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's up to you what you want. Anyways, we are here to learn about what I say, sentence stress. We have already learned a few basic things about the word stress. Now what is needed in word stress to practice it, and how will you practice it? I had given you some homework. What was the homework? You had to record your voice saying the names of the days and the names of the months and send it to me. Only 3 out of you have done it, Mr. Prakash, Rajnandini and Gunjan. But Gunjan's voice was too faint in the audio, in the recorded audio that she sent to me, is that nobody can hear it. It was too faint to hear. It was too faint to hear. Yeah, Tejasvi has also sent. Tejasvi has
Again.
also sent. Tejasvi has also sent.
Yes, sir.
And everybody's voice has means everybody's audio file has been included in today's class in the recording. When you get the link of today's class recording, you will definitely hear your own recording here in this class. And
I try to record
tomorrow,
again.
tomorrow in by 12 o'clock in the afternoon, I am gonna send you the pronunciation, correct pronunciation, recorded audio of the correct pronunciation of the names of the days and the names of the months. Listen to the audio that I am going to send you and match it or compare it with your own pronunciation, and then after I will give you any remark whether you are right or wrong, correct or not. Getting me? Getting me, guys? Say yes or no at least.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can't be dumb like that. Okay, I am speaking a sentence in Hindi. Listen to it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, rather I write the Hindi sentence here. Okay? And now I want each of you to read this Hindi sentence one by one, but only one time.
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपया देगा.
Okay?
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा.
Okay?
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा.
Okay? Good. Good. Not bad. Who else is there in the room?
10 रुपये देगा.
Okay, but your voice is not clear, sir. Your voice is just echoing in the surrounding.
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपये देगा.
Okay, very good. Now listen to me. I am going to read this sentence in Hindi itself, okay, for you people. राम मुझे कल 10 रुपये देगा. 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 Did you understand what I said, what I did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Every time I spoke this sentence, I put stress on some different word. In the first time, I put stress on this part. In the second time, I put stress on this part. Third time, when I spoke this sentence, I put stress on this part. And fourth time, when I spoke this sentence, I put stress. राम मुझे 10 रुपए देगा. Listen to me. राम मुझे 10 रुपए देगा. Right? राम मुझे 10 रुपए देगा. राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा. राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा. Did you understand what I did? I played with the sentence, and every time I spoke the sentence, I conveyed some different meaning, didn't I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
that is known as sentence stress. It happens in Hindi also, not only in English. Means which part of the sentence is to be stressed depends upon the sense the sense that we want to convey to the listener. Okay? Depends upon the situation what we have to say. राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा. तुम नहीं, श्याम नहीं, मोहन नहीं, राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा. Did you understand when I stressed this part of the sentence while
Yes, sir.
speaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay? I've just taken an example from Hindi sentence so that you may understand it more easily. And after that, definitely I'm going to come to the English sentences. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me once again and try to find out which part of the sentence I have stressed. Okay? राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा.
मुझे.
मुझे means तुम्हें नहीं देगा, उसे नहीं देगा, किसी और को नहीं देगा, मुझे देगा. Right? So this part has been stressed now. The meaning totally different.
Yes, sir.
Meaning changed.
Yes, sir.
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा. आज नहीं देगा, परसों नहीं देगा, अभी दिया भी नहीं है, कल देगा.
देगा.
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा.
10 रुपया.
मतलब नॉट 20 रुपए, नॉट 5 रुपए, नॉट 100 रुपए, ओनली
10
10
रुपया.
रुपए.
10 रुपए.
राम मुझे कल 10 रुपए देगा. लेगा नहीं, खर्च भी नहीं करेगा, बैंक में भी नहीं डालेगा, देगा. Did you understand what I did?
Yes, sir.
I spoke the same sentence 5 times with 5 different senses. and every time I spoke this sentence, it gave a totally different meaning. It conveyed a totally different point or different view or different sense to the listener, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is, as a rough idea, is sentence stress. I hope now you have got the concept what sentence stress is.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Now let's move to English sentences and try and relate the same thing with the English sentences. Are you ready for that, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving. See, there are some rules that we have to follow while putting stress in a sentence. Okay. In a sentence, there are two types of words: content words and structure words. Do you know what content words and what structure words are? Do you have any idea, my dear students?
Words that are usually
Okay.
stressed in a sentence.
Let me tell you what sentence, what content words are and what structure words are. See, structure words are the words in a sentence which are responsible for the grammatic correction of the sentence, and content words are the words in a sentence which convey the meaning. If you don't use structure words in the sentence may be grammatically wrong, but up to some extent, or up to great extent, I would rather say, up to great extent, you will be able to convey the sense to the listener. Like suppose if I say, I eat mango. You don't get any exact idea whether I am eating at the present, or I have eaten in the past, or I will eat in future, but you will understand that I am talking about eating mangoes, right?
Yes, sir.
And who is the performer of this action of eating? I. So these words are content words. But when I write I have eaten a mango. See, these words are added, and when these words are added, it gives a full sense to the sentence, and it makes the sentence grammatically correct also. So there are words which are responsible for the correction of the sentence according to the rules of grammar, and there are some other words which are responsible for the meaning, which are the content. That's why they are known as content words. And among content words, we can put main verb, nouns, adjectives and adverbs, no doubt. And when it comes to structure words, we can put pronouns in them, prepositions in them, articles in them, conjunctions in them, and auxiliary verbs in them. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
So when we make a sentence, there are some content words and there are some structure words. While speaking the sentence, we don't have to put the stress on the structure words, we have to put stress on the content words. This is the only rule. This is the only rule. But sometimes we put some stress on structure words also according to the situation. I will explain you the situation. Have a little patience. It's not very tough and complicated. It is going to be very simple, very easy. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you please read this sentence, guys? Anybody of you?
I have eaten mangoes.
Okay.
I have
I
eaten
have-
mangoes.
Yes. Very good. Who else? Who else will
have-
try? Who else will try?
I have eaten mangoes.
Okay. Okay. Who's next? Who's next to
I
try?
have eaten mangoes.
Very nice. Very nice. Will anybody else? Is there anybody else in the meeting room who's left to speak out this sentence? Yes.
Eaten mango.
Yes, sir, but your voice is not clear, sir. Once again. See, you people pronounce it very clearly, it equally clearly and equally clearly. Okay? Listen to me. I've eaten mangoes. Could you hear these two words so clearly as these two words when I spoke? I've eaten mangoes. I've eaten mangoes. I've eaten mangoes. Could you hear these two words so clearly as you heard these two words from my mouth?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why? Because these two words, pronoun and auxiliary verbs, listen to me, are structure words and they are always unstressed. And this is main verb and this is a noun. Go back to the previous slide, you will find main verbs and nouns are stressed in a sentence. I've eaten mangoes, I've eaten mangoes. Sometimes when a native speaker speaks a sentence, they put so little stress on the structure words that you will not be able to listen to them, and that's why when you listen to a native speaker, when you watch a Hollywood movie, or sometimes when you listen to the audio contents that I have given you, audio materials, you don't find yourself very comfortable understanding what they are saying. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you said I have eaten mangoes, this is not the proper way English is spoken. But we Indians, because of our habit of speaking Hindi, put equal stress in each and every word. But it doesn't happen so in Hindi as well. A good orator of Hindi never puts equal stress on each and every word of Hindi sentence. This was the only thing. But there is always a ifs and buts. But some structure words are also stressed sometimes. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
look at this conversation I am giving here. They've been to Mongolia, haven't they? No, they haven't been, we have. Why so? These are pronouns. These are pronouns. Still,
Yes,
these words are being stressed. But general rule is that in a sentence we should not stress a pronoun, but here they are being stressed. Why so? Why so? Because we have to convey the sense, not they, but we. That's why these are to be stressed. So general rule is that generally pronouns are not stressed, and not only pronouns. Let me tell you once again: pronouns, prepositions, articles, conjunctions, and auxiliary verbs are hardly stressed, but when it is required according to the situation to convey the sense correctly, we should put stress on these structure words also in a sentence. Do I need to explain these things in Hindi, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And now you have got it, that how sincerely you need to listen to the audio files that I have given you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And after you get command over these things, not your speaking will improve, but your listening skill will also improve, my dear. Mind
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And Gunjan, so far as you are concerned, you need to improve your, what should I say, speaking habit, my dear. Even in Hindi, you have to improve a lot, and especially your pitch of voice. Your pitch of voice, my dear. You have to work on that. Maybe because of the fault of your mic, maybe because of the fault of your mobile, or maybe you are in habit of speaking at a very low pitch, and that's why sometimes you are not audible. And so far as Prakash sir is concerned, his I think mobile is not in a good condition enough to be what I say.
Okay, sir. I try.
Still even in this time, Gunjan is not clearly audible, means not so much clear. Okay, anyways, I'm just stopping sharing the screen now. I hope it is quite clear. But before
Yes, sir.
before I stop this class, I must bring before you a few sentences in English, or the same sentence. See, I have written the same sentence in 6 ways, and in all the 6 ways, some part, means different part of the sentence has been colored with yellow. Why so? Jack will cycle to the restaurant tonight, means nobody else, not Jimmy,
Only.
not David, only Jack. Jack will cycle, means he has not cycled yet, he will cycle. Jack will cycle, not bike, not do anything. He will cycle to the restaurant tonight. He will not walk, he will not drive, he will not run, he will cycle to the restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Did you people understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How
Yes,
stress
sir.
brings change in the change in the sense of the sentence?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How stress can bring a lot of change in the matter that we are conveying to our listeners?
Yes, sir.
So even after learning a lot of English, if you talk to a native speaker, they will not respect you and they'll not be able to make out what you're saying, and you will not be able to make out what they are saying either at the same time. So you need to listen to the audio files that I've given you very sincerely, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How's
Sir,
that?
now my voice is clear, sir.
Yes, now your voice is much better.
Yes, sir. Mic problem,
It was Mike's
I
problem.
think. Yes, sir.
Prakash sir is looking very sincere and serious. What happened, sir? Is everything okay?
Because he missed Beer ma'am, sir.
This is the chapter which
Yes.
He
improve
missing Miss
your,
Beer
Okay, okay,
ma'am.
Gunjan, quiet please. Listen, let me listen to Prakash. Yes, sir.
this is the chapter, sir, which improve our speaking capacity, sir.
No, sir. First of all, listening, sir. You don't give any time importance to listening. Without listening, speaking can never be improved.
No, sir,
You
listening
can
is
put the right stress. Listen to me, sir. You can put stress on the right syllable of a word only if you listen to the word being spoken.
exactly, sir, exactly.
First thing. Second thing, you can be in the habit of putting right stress in a sentence only by listening to audio, only by listening to English. English not from Indians, English from the native speakers. And the audio files that I have provided you people are recorded in the voice of the native speakers. And they have been particularly trained for speaking in a correct way. So if you listen to them, definitely you're gonna improve a lot in both the skills, listening and speaking. English is a language where you need to learn all the four skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. It's not like Hindi that you will only learn writing and reading and you will start speaking and listening and understanding it. No, sir, no. You should not make this mistake. You should not have this confusion and misunderstanding. You must learn listening to English also, and that could be done only through the audio files that I have provided you people. Yes, now you can say, sir. I'm done. I told you that today's class is going to be very short. I finished from my side. Do you people need to ask something, or do you people need to listen to the audio files once again and try and observe the stress in the words and the stress in the sentences and try and copy them also when you speak?
I listened today many times, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even I listen Rizal video,
Mhm.
and I found Lucy audio is very fast, and uh, uh,
It varies person to person, sir. In Hindi also some people speak fast and some people speak very slowly. Do you understand? Louis is a common lady. She has not been trained to speak in a way so that others may learn from her speaking. Do you understand, sir?
And one more thing, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Uh,
Sorry, sir.
with one more thing,
Uh-huh.
which one is the more easy for the Indians, American pronunciation or the British pronunciation?
We are nowhere, sir. We are nowhere. We have no,
Which
sir.
is the
Nothing. Our listen to me, sir.
uh,
Listen to me. Kindly listen to me. See, vocal system. The what should I say? The design, the structure, the form of vocal system is different of the people in different countries. So our vocal system is neither like the vocal system of the Americans nor like the vocal system of the British. And that's why in the world our pronunciation is getting a different recognition. This is Indian pronunciation. We don't need to copy. We have made our own standard in the world in English, in pronunciation also, sir. But so far as stress is concerned, we must take care of that. That will never change. That will be decided according to the standard, and both are standards, British and American also.
Like in Rachel told some word, she has started from D. We have started from the D.
Sorry, sir.
At the comma. The we use the and
That has got the rule, sir. That has got the rule. When to pronounce the as a the, and when to pronounce it like the. Okay, that has got rule. And that rule is from the pattern the native speakers speak them, that word. Okay, so you if you observe, you yourself can find out the rule. Otherwise, I am gonna just tell you after a few classes. Everything is included in this course, sir, but step by step.
So tomorrow we will again listen 1.8 audio.
No, sir. Tomorrow I am going to take ahead the class. Take the class ahead after discussion of 10 or 15 minutes in the beginning for recording 1.8. Okay. In the beginning, only for 10 minutes, I will spend time listening and discussing about the recording 1.8, and after that we will go ahead to the next lesson. Do you people agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if not, then you
Yes.
can propose. Prakash sir, you want to say something?
I want to say that tomorrow again we will try to speak. We will try to listen 1.8 audio.
You can listen to it at home, sir, also.
We
In
will
the-
listen. Yes, I am saying that
Yes.
we will listen at home.
Yes, you will listen to it at home, and we will have a little discussion. I will give you some sentences to speak with the correct stress, okay, here in the class itself for the 10 minutes in the beginning only, and after that we will move to the next lesson, because these things are to be practiced. The more you practice, the more perfect you will become, and the practice cannot be bound to be in the classroom only. Do you agree, sir?
Yes, I am.
Are you convinced, sir?
Yes, I am convinced. Even in next 1 week,
Yeah.
I have more work and I am free, and I will give more and more time for the English.
Yes, sir. And sir, whenever means you need to take my help any time in the daytime also, you can make me a call. Otherwise, you can record your sentences in your own voice and send it to me to check whether these sentences have been spoken in correct way or not.
Thank you, sir. Tomorrow I will.
Yes, sir. Because you told that you have got some free time in the next week, so I told you that if you want to spend time with English, I am always there with you, sir.
I will have some more time, sir.
Yes, sir. So what should we do now? Should we wrap it up for today?
You can write it up.
Yes. So it was very nice experience being with you, all of you today here. Means all of you were very cooperative and very peaceful and very attentive. I liked it very much.
And one more thing, sir. Yesterday, both the audio, that means your voice and our voice, both are very clear in the.
Today also, sir. I promised you yesterday that from today, means about yesterday, every day your voice will also be clearly recorded in the video. There was a little technical, what should I say, some glitch, sir, the day before yesterday. That's why your voice was not recorded so clearly. But now that has been solved and sorted. So I think we should wrap it up now for today.
For today, we should try.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Good night and take good care of yourselves.
night, sir.
Good night. Good night, everybody.